Dear students, already you have seen the first 8 lines. Today we are going to see the last 6 lines. Okay. Who wrote this poem? Henry Van Dyke. Life poem written by Henry Van Dyke. Now coming to the last 6 lines. So let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. First I will tell the content of this. Here we see Van Dyke further is expressing his determination to live a great life in this world. He will not be daunted by the difficult uphill or downhill, whatever the road of life may be. Whether he is getting a rough or smooth road, he is not at all bothered about it. He will travel on with joy. He will continue to seek new friendship and thrilling adventures so that he can live a happy life and a crown. In the same manner, when he was just a boy, he says his quest, that is his long search, will never stop and continue living in hope that life would be the best after the last turn. As we take up the beautiful journey, we should also know about life. So I shall give line by line explanation now. So let the way wind up the hill or down. As we are passing through a beautiful journey, we may be passing through uphill or down, whatever the passage may be. We should not fear. It does not matter whether the path goes up or down the hill. Okay, over smooth or rough, whether the pathway is smooth or rough, the journey will be joy. Surely the journey will be joyful. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. The poet says, still, as he was a boy, what all he wanted to do, he would continue to do even in his old age. So, as a boy, what he had wanted, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. I already told you this poem, maybe he has written when he was old. He wanted to seek new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. These 3 things are very important in our life too. As a boy, he would like to search for new friendship, high adventure, exciting adventure, and a crown. Crown here means prize. Prize in our lifetime, or position, great position in our lifetime. Then my heart will keep the courage of the heart. Courage is very, very important. Fearlessness, very, very important. Quest means, long search. In this world we are searching. So we should keep our heart with courage of the long search. You should have a courageous heart. His heart will remain courageous and he'll be able to pursue, follow all his desires and hope the road's last turn will be the best. He hopes that every turn, when we are passing through the road, we see many turns. So, he hopes that every turn in his life's journey will be the best. Surely. Now also you see the present condition. We are facing so many problems now in our world, in our country, in our house, everywhere because of this corona. But still, God is great and He'll help us. And we also hope that every turn in our life journey will be the best. So once again I would like to sum up this. The second stanza, Henry Van Dyke further expresses his determination to live a great life. He says he will not be daunted by the difficult uphill road of life. Whether he gets a rough road or smooth road, he will travel on it with joy. He will continue to seek a new friendship, thrilling adventure, and a crown. In the same manner, when he was just a boy, he says his quest, that is the long search, will never stop and it will continue living in hope that life would be the best after the last turn. As we take up the beautiful journey of our life, we should have eternal hope. Okay, I would like to read the meanings. Just see the meanings. Meaning for crown. Crown means a prize or position offered. Not the king's crown. It is the great thing that we are going to get position or prize that is offered to us. And adventure, we should live an adventurous life. A wild and exciting undertaking is known as adventure. Life without adventure is not life at all. Courage, fearlessness. We should not have fear about anything. And journey, it is an act of traveling and sought, being searched for. Sought is past tense of seek. Quest, a long search for something which is difficult to find in our life. So all these you must take down at leisure. You can take down. And now again we will see the point. Appreciation questions. Appreciation questions are many in this last 6 lines. Very important. You have many appreciation questions from the book. Already we have seen 3 questions. So now coming to the 4th question. I shall read the 4th question. So let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. Question A. How is the way of life? The way of life is rough or smooth. B. How should be the journey of life? The journey of life should be joyful. C. Question. What did the poet seek as a boy? As a boy, the poet sought new friendships, high adventure and a crown. Now coming to the 5th question. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Question A. What kind of quest does the poet seek here? The quest sought here by the poet is a courageous heart. The quest sought here by the poet is a courageous heart. B question. What is the poet's hope? The poet hopes that the end journey in life will be the best to cherish. Now coming to the 6th question. In the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. Identify the rhyming words of the given lines. Can you identify? Fear and cheer, whole and toll are the rhyming words. Now coming to the 7th question. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. Identify the rhyming scheme of the given lines. A question. Answer. I told you already. A, B, B, A. Year, disappear. A. Soul, goal, B, B. A, B, B, A. What kind of life does the poet want to lead? The poet wants to lead a life without haste and steadfast in its target or goal. So we should live a life without haste and steadfast in its goal. Can you pick out the couplet in this? There is one couplet. Couplet, last 2 lines. Last 2 lines. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. And couplet means is two lines of verse joined by the rhyme. So we have two couplets in this poem. Second and third line and last two lines. Please note down this point. Now coming to the figures of speech. Let the way wind up. Let the way wind up. So this is personification. Let the way wind up because the way is personified here. Okay. Then apart from that we have so many alliteration. That all you can see. For example, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. So we have two sets of alliteration. Still seeking sought. You have to underline yes, yes, yes. Still seeking sought. One set. Second set is but boy. B. So like that we can find out. Alliteration you are very much informed. So no need to worry. I think so. You have understood the poem. Once again I would like to concise the poem. Give a gist of the poem. In the first stanza we saw Henry Van Dyke says that he wants to live his life without any hesitation, always looking forward and advancing towards his goal or target without any hurry and distraction. He just wants to live in the present without mourning for the things in the past and without feeling for the uncertain future. He wants to move forward in life with a happy heart, paying all the dues demanded by age and continue to travel forward. In the second stanza we have seen today, Henry Van Dyke further expresses his determination to live a great life. He says that he will not be daunted by the difficult uphill road of life. Whether he gets a rough road or smooth road, he will travel on it with joy. He will continue to seek new friendship, thrilling adventure and a crown in the same manner when he was just a boy. He says his quest, that is his long search, will never stop and it will continue living in hope that life would be the best after the last turn. As we take up the beautiful journey of life, we should have eternal hope that our life will be a success. And I would like to now assignment. You will have to learn the last 6 lines. I hope you have already learned the first 8 lines. Very easy poem when compared to other poems. This poem is a very easy poem. Life poem, very, very important. You will have to learn the next 6 lines for this day. Okay? Thank you.